Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Colorway Lifestyle, and today I have a bathroom accessories haul for you. So we've got two bathrooms. One of the bathroom has a theme of grey white and the other has a beige and brown theme. So today the haul that I have for you is for the brown and beige theme, and most of the products that I have are from Home Center. They come in a set, most of them, and a few are from Amazon and Westside. So without further ado, let's get started. So a little detail about the washroom. So the brown and beige washroom that we have, it has a bathtub, it has a commode and a wash basin, a mirror cabinet and a storage cabinet under the wash basin. So and we also have a washing machine and a water heater. So the first thing that I have for you is a bathtub caddy. So I got it in the color bamboo. I actually wanted a dark brown color, but I couldn't find one. This I got from Amazon. I'll try to link it down below. This is it. It's a pretty big size bathtub caddy. I'm so sorry. So this is how it looks. It's a pretty huge size. And let me show you, it's multi-purpose. You can put a lot of things in this. So let me show you. This has a removable compartment of sorts. Then you have a wine glass holder. Then there is an iPad, tablet or book, whatever you want. You can keep it here. And it has got these ridges as well. It has got ridges as well so that it doesn't slip and fall down. I hope it's visible. Then there is a candle holder right here. Let me show you. So this is how it is. And also there's a phone holder. There's a ridge for your phone. And the best part, it fits any bathtub, any size of a bathtub, because it is extendable and it extends to a huge size. So that's like the best part. This I got for the spa vibes and for that beautiful Pinterest aesthetic. So this is perfect for relaxing day, for relaxing after a hard working day. And it has these rubber attachments so that it doesn't slip. Let me show you. So I'll try to link it down below. It's pretty huge and heavy, so hard to manage, hard to show you on the camera, but I'm trying my best. Okay, the next thing I have is also a bathtub accessory. So I was searching for something to put my bath bombs in, and usually glassware that has a big mouth, they're pretty big and pretty expensive, and I didn't want to splurge on a bath bomb storage unit. So after searching a lot of places, I got this. And this is perfect because it's small. It can hold 3 to 4 bath bombs, and it has a big mouth, so it really helps. And a cork cover to keep it safe. And this I got from Westside, and this retails for $8.99. It is glass, so it is breakable, but yeah. The next thing I have for you is a necessity in a washroom, and it is automatic air freshener. It's from Godrej, and I was actually looking for something in brown, but they had blues and pinks, so I got a black one. There are a lot of adjustments. You can adjust it to spray after 10 seconds, 20, 30, 40 as per your choice. And it's so small, you can just tuck it anywhere and it refreshes, and your washroom smells good, which is always a plus. The next thing I have for you is from Home Center. It is this beautiful waste bin. Can you even say it's a waste bin? So it's a bit heavy and it matches the color scheme of my washroom so well. It has the beige, it has shades of brown, and this retails for 2599, and this is how it looks. The next thing that I have is this hand wash holder. I can show this to you in a better way. Closer look. It has this textured finish. This retails for $7.99, and I've been using all these products for a while now, so I can say the quality is pretty good. You just if it gets dirty, you just clean it with a damp cloth, and that is it. So yeah, the pump works really well. The next thing that I have for you is this holder. You can put your toothbrush, your tongue cleaners and stuff like that. It's so cute, pretty small and handy. This is for $6.99. All these products are from Home Center. They come separately, but you can buy it as a set because it all matches, and they have got other color schemes as well, so whichever suits your bathroom. So when it comes to washroom counters, basin counters, you need Q-tips, you need cotton balls. So for that I have these storage containers, and they come with a cap so that your Q-tips and your cotton balls are dust free, because you need to use them on your face and your ears, so like it has to be clean. So it has got a cap, and I thought it's best for it. This is how it looks. It is for $8.99. The product name is actually Cotton Jar, so perfect for putting your, you can also put your makeup wipes and stuff like that in these. It actually depends on you. The next thing that I have are these soap dish. So the inner portion is brown, and then they have the layers that all the other ones have. This is for 599 rupees. I've got 2 of them. So this is how it looks. So aesthetic, right? Even the soap dish looks really good. So this is how it looks. The next thing I have for you, well, you need to hang towels, right? So instead of those steel and those plastic hooks, you can actually get these ones. These days you get a lot of different styles and designs of hooks. They've become so fancy, and because it matched my theme perfectly, I got these ones. And they come with a screw for them to hang, so it just goes like this, and then you can hang your towel, hand towel, whatever, your bathrobe. So it comes in a set of 2. I have actually thrown away the package, so I'll link it down below. The next thing I have is also a toothbrush and tongue cleaners and toothpaste holder, but it has a slit in the middle, so it divides it into 2 portions. That's how it looks. This one you can probably put your toothpaste in because it's bigger, and this one you can put your toothbrush and stuff in. This is for $6.99 as well. This is also from Home Center, the same color scheme. It's a bit wider than this one. This is in a circular shape, and this is more of a wider shape. The next thing I have for you is toilet cleaner. Well, look at this. Look at the finish. This is supposed to be a toilet cleaner. It comes with a brush. Don't worry, I haven't used it yet. So it comes with a brush, and yeah, this is how it looks. You can just put it beside your commode, and so aesthetically pleasing, I must say. The next thing that I have for you is a decor item. So this is a candle stand I got to put beside my bathtub, and this is how it looks. You just drop your candle. Look at this. This is from Westside, and it is for $12.99, but I got it in discount. This is how it looks. So beautiful. Look at it. Matches the theme perfectly. Speaking of decor items, I actually got this long bag when I went to Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This is essentially a pen stand, but I got it to put my shampoo bottle in, and it will make it look so pretty. So this is how it looks. Perfectly, my shampoo bottle fits here perfectly. So just it's essentially making things look cute, like your shampoo bottles, your conditioners, other hair and skin products, your everyday use products. You just have to make them look cute and aesthetically pleasing, and that is it. Your bathroom is transformed. So another decor item that I have for you is this candle holder from Westside. It has this tassel in the end, and you can just take this out, put a tea light candle, and then just put it in, and it has such a beautiful reflection. You can hang it anywhere and it will look really, really beautiful. So what's an Indian bathroom without a bucket and a mug? So for the brown theme that we have, I found this bucket and the mug. It's a small size one on Amazon. Why am I getting a bucket and a mug from Amazon? Well, because we are in a pandemic, and so stay home and get all your things online. So this is the one that I got for my brown bathroom. It's from the brand Nyasa, and this is the mug. They have this pattern on the front, and you get a dark brown accent on the bucket. So yeah, the bucket and the mug, it's a set. And last but definitely not the least, I have got these beautiful storage baskets. They're from Westside. They come in different shapes and different sizes. So this is the smallest one that I have. Then this is a bigger size. You can keep toilet rolls, extra towels, anything that you want. You can even put it under your basin as a storage. You can put your shampoos, your everything extra, toiletries and stuff like that. So I already have a toilet roll in this. And then I have got a bigger size. I'm so sorry, I already have my hair accessories and my room freshener and stuff like that in this. So this is a bigger one. It's just wires and stuff. So it keeps it clean. If you put all your cords and your wires, whatever you need, if you put it in one basket, it looks good as well. And everything is in one place, so it's easier to find. So yeah, there it is. So that's it for today's haul. I'll have a second haul for you for my other washroom, and also I'll have a linen bathroom haul for you. So stay tuned, and if you like this video, if it was helpful for you, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Bye.